Hello guys, how to reset Facebook app on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If your Facebook app not working properly, then you can easily repair or reset Facebook app. To do so, right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to, and here from the left side, click on apps, click on it. Thereafter go to right side, and at the top of the page you will find installed apps. Click on it. Here look for Facebook in the search field and click on three horizontal dot against Facebook app, and here choose advanced options. Click on it. In this page, scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. This is the important, the app's data will be deleted. So click on reset. A confirmation window will appear. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Click on reset. It will take few seconds. Wait for some times. After that, a small icon of tick will